Hi, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. Strength begets strength. It is a fact. So what are we doing? I'm going to show you something here that'll really help you. This is a great tactic, great technique. I show it every week, and I made it a little bit bigger here to show you something. Here's my list of ETFs. Okay? I have them in, as you can see, its own page. I scan those about twice a day just to get an overview of where the strength is. What to possibly put money in what industry group and what to avoid. That's important too. And you'll see why. So here we go. Here's Biotech Etf Arkg. By the way, I don't have any really thin ETFs on this list, okay? Just to let you know. But ARKG, grinding up, biotech. Hanging in there. Here's the beauty of a biotech ETF. Instead of having the risk of a blow up in a biotech stock, you own a basket of biotechnology stocks. And it's hanging in nicely, trending nicely. Next one on the list, cloud computing. Fell a bit on volume, bouncing a bit, just going sideways, still above the moving averages, no great shakes. Here's the IBD 50 ETF, and it's going sideways. Fair warning, this thing trades really thin. Look at this average volume about, I don't know, what are we looking at here? 35,000 shares a day, 30, I mean, that's a bit thin, so be careful with it. But why do we have it on the list? And hold on just a second, my phone hasn't rang all day. How about that? Sorry about that. We were brainstorming with Owen about something. So here's the IBD 50, as I said, and it's just slowly grinding up. No great shakes, but slowly grinding up. That's good to see. Next one on the list, Focus 5. This focuses on the max list stocks. Okay, it's the Dorsey Wright ETF, and it's grinding up, a little bit thinner, but nice to see. Your GDX, gold miners. What does this tell you? You better be careful with gold miners. You see that selling bar right there? Be a little bit careful with gold. Here's GDX, junior gold. Be a little careful with junior gold. Here's gold. Be a little careful with gold. That's how we build a case. Biotechnology. What does this tell you? I think it tells you to stay away from biotechnology is what it says. Technology, IGV, North American Technology, looks good. And again, what's the theme you've seen so far? I think you realize technology is a good place to be, and it has been a good place to be, which is why we've been in it. That's why we do it. It's I mean, folks, look at this. It was strong all through here when the market was kind of flopping around. ITB, home builders. I say this every week and I'm going to say it again. This is why we look at charts. If you watch the news, you'll say, geez, nobody could be buying a house right now. Everybody's out of work. COVID-19's destroyed the economy. And by the way, I'm not minimizing COVID-19 and I'm not getting political here, okay? That's not the issue. The issue is this. Watch the charts. Lose the bias. Home builders moving up. Max list stock. Owns many of the max list stocks. IVW. This is a new one. Credit to Owen, my partner. He mentioned this to me. This owns, well, I said this, max list stocks. Look at this. This is nice. Okay, this is nice. We'll be watching this. IWM, small cap. Look at now. Isn't this intriguing? It's just going sideways. It's not really leading. Remember that. Small cap's not leading. IVW, another U.S. technology. It trades a decent amount of shares, but look at what it owns. These are their top holdings, folks. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Google, Visa, Nvidia, MasterCard. Oh yeah, those are all max list stocks, and it owns them. There we go. That's something to look at. MDY, mid cap. It's not doing anything. What does it tell us? The big boys are leading. Oil services. What does this tell you? Stay away from oil services. Software, going sideways, still hanging in there. That's okay, technology. QLD, NASDAQ 100. We've been involved with this off and on. Look at this. What does it tell you? Big tech is leading. Get in line with big tech. QQQ, that's the non-leveraged ETF. Cloud computing, just going sideways. Still fine, nothing bad. Just, again, it's going sideways, consolidating. Silver chopping around, kind of like gold. That was some serious selling on that bar. Starts losing the 21, I would be concerned. By the way, down on heavy volume, meanders around, decent day. Falls on decent volume, falls on decent volume. Just things to watch. Steel just going sideways, but it's still okay. All right, maybe it'll line up. SMH, technology, hanging in there. See the tech theme? Spiders, big stocks, hanging in there. SSO, the leveraged one, we love this. Okay, we love this one, been riding it. TAN, solar, been leading. Solar, top group. Small cap, just kind of going sideways, nothing special, not bad. Aerospace, this is why we scan the ETFs. Look at this. Is there anything special here, folks? This is the 200 day. There ain't nothing special with it. Move on. Biotechnology just going sideways. We see other ETFs hitting highs, and this is just going sideways. Nothing there. Home builders. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Slide it on over. Look at that move. That's sweet potato pie right there. What has it been telling you? Oh, home builders is a good place to be. Basic materials, how you build houses, hanging in there. Communications, technology related, hanging in there. Energy, another energy ETF. What does this tell you? Stay away from energy. In literally 1 second, you could say to yourself, you know, I think I need to stay away from energy area. Done. That can help you not lose money. Strength begets strength. Finance, another area, below the falling 200 day, nothing there. Industrials, hanging in there, forming a cup with a high handle. Industrials, good. Technology, hitting all-time highs. Look at that, technology. You see this? When the market was kind of blah, this thing was taken off. What did that cause us to do? Buy and own technology stocks. Consumer staples, hanging in there. The consumer's dead. Well, not according to this. Here's the weekly. Just hit all-time highs this week. There you go. Utilities, there's nothing here. Move on. Healthcare, hanging in there. Doing okay, not bad. Consumer discretionary. I pointed this out the last 3 weeks. Oh, the consumer's dead. That's not what this is showing. This is saying everything's good. Watch the charts. It will help. It helps. No bias. Metals and mining, hanging in there. Okay, nothing really special. Just hanging in. Retail. Oh, yeah, look at that. All-time highs. The consumer's dead. Not according to this. Not according to this. We just get in line with it. By the way, you notice I'm just looking at daily and or weekly. We're just the big picture. Finally, software. Strong. Has been strong. Is strong. Let it work. Anyway, that is a recap of the major index industry ETFs. This was an 8-minute video. If I wasn't talking, you can get it done in 2 minutes. Take this list and have it on your system. Scan it just frickin' once a day, and you will know what to focus on, what industry groups to focus on, and what industry groups to avoid. Isn't that what you want to do? Find the strong stuff. Find what's strong. Find a clean and entry spot. Own it. Ride it. Trends pay. Anyway.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.